Welcome back everybody. Today we're exploring how you can earn some cash using Revolut in 2025. And this is mostly going to be done from leveraging new features to participating in affiliate programs. Let's uncover the opportunities Revolut offers to boost your income. Now, Revolut has unveiled an ambitious product roadmap for 2025, introducing innovative features designed to enhance user experience, but also financial growth. The most notable of these additions is the AI-powered in-app assistant. Set to roll out gradually throughout the year, the assistant will provide personalized financial guidance, helping you make smarter money decisions and potentially increase your earnings. Another avenue to earn money with Revolut is through their affiliate program. By promoting Revolut's services, you can earn commissions for each new user who signs up through your referral. This program is open to various partners, including bloggers, influencers, and website owners. To join, apply through the Revolut affiliate partner page and start sharing your unique referral links. Revolut also offers competitive interest rates on savings accounts. So as of 2025, customers can earn up to 5% interest on their savings depending on their subscription plan. This presents a reliable way to grow your funds over time. Be sure to review the latest rates and terms within the app to maximize your earnings. So to wrap it all up, we have the AI assistant, the Revolut affiliate program, and their high interest on savings. Explore these features within the Revolut app to determine how they can align with your financial goals. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.